Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Hi guys, I'm editing this right now, and originally this was going to be a continuation of last weekend's vlog, so I'm going to say like that I didn't have enough footage and so I was filming it, but I actually did have enough footage, so this is now just a Monday in my life. So yeah, enjoy. To Monday, because yesterday I ended up going on a walk and it was just like a chill, lazy Sunday, so I just didn't film for the rest of the day because we just watched football and had some homemade pizza, stuff like that. It's now Monday. I got up, worked out, had some breakfast, having some coffee, and now it's time to get some work done. I have some client stuff to do. It's just like Monday, you know? I'm gonna take a Skillshare course today, I don't know what I'm gonna take, but I've been really wanting to take a Skillshare course on Final Cut Pro. So that might be today. I need to edit a video, and yeah. This is literally where I've been doing my work lately. Sitting on the floor at our coffee table. So I have my agenda planner here. I need to write my to-do list for the day. Laptop, coffee, water, and I'm going to get some work done. Alright guys, it's 2 hours later. I don't even know what time I started. But I tried to take a Skillshare course and it just wasn't. I just told Google to play jazz like 5 minutes ago and now she's finally doing it. Okay, Google. Pause. I just put my hair up like this just to like try something new because I like how people are like doing this little like 90s vibe. I didn't think I could pull it off, but I kind of like it. Anyway, I tried to take a Skillshare course. It wasn't like super, she was just like, the lady that was running it was super vague and like not helpful, so I gave up. And I'm working on something exciting that will already be out by the time you're seeing this, but my website is launching on Wednesday, the 28th. So I'm doing, this is like going to be the post on the Instagram, and then this is one of the stories like leading up to it. This is going to be for tomorrow, and then I have one for today. And now I need to make one for the actual launch day. And I need to make a Facebook post. So I just use this Canva website. I pay for the Canva Pro. If you want a sneak peek of my actual website, this is it. And I'm so excited about it. So yeah, I'm just sitting here eating an apple. I'm gonna listen to some jazz music and keep working until lunch. Okay, Google, play. I forgot that I was vlogging. Because I've literally been sitting here staring at a computer screen all day. It's 2:30 now. I did have lunch. I just had like an egg scramble thing with a piece of toast because we got this really yummy bread at the farmer's market. Go check out that vlog when we went to the farmer's market. But I think I'm gonna get up. I need to get up and do something that's off my computer screen for like a little bit because my eyes are like tired. Look at these colors. Like, I love just sitting here and seeing the leaves and our little pumpkins and just all of the colored trees. And it's just such a fall vibe out this window. How cute is that? Okay, I literally went and wiped down our mirror in our bathroom and that was about it. Now I'm back to working because I need to edit a video. So I just imported the footage and now I'm going to start editing Wednesday's video. Alright, so it's now 3:40 and I'm not done editing, but I need a break and I'm gonna make a smoothie. Get a straw. It looks disgusting, but it actually is pretty good. So there we go. It's just because I put berries in it and spinach that it makes this like gross dark green, but hi guys, so I tried to film cutting up the cauliflower, but my camera died. So I'm making buffalo cauliflower wraps for dinner tonight. And I cut up all the cauliflower. Dylan's literally about to walk in. And now I need to do half a cup of water, half a cup of flour, paprika, celery salt, paprika, and garlic powder, I think, but let me check really quick. I have a note. I just like got this recipe on TikTok once. I wrote it down in my phone and then I just look at that. But let's see. Half a cup of flour, half a cup of water, garlic powder, paprika, celery salt, and buffalo sauce you need, but not right now. So you're gonna do half a cup of water, half a cup of flour, and then there's no like measurements for these three. I just kind of like eyeball it. And then you coat all of the cauliflower in it, put it on a pan, put it in the oven at 450 for 20 minutes, and then after that you take them out, coat it in the buffalo sauce, and then do like another 10 to 15 minutes at 350. So let's do it.
Mariah's doing the dishes. I'm gonna toss them in. Looking so good.
So while those are in the oven, I'm gonna cut up a little bit of onion and tomato, and we have lettuce because we're gonna do like a wrap situation. Also, I didn't end up using all of the cauliflower because it's not really something that you can like reheat, so I only wanted to make as much as we would eat, so I did like half and then I froze the other half for another. Okay, so we just took them out of the oven, set it down to 350, and then you put all of these in a bowl, but they kind of like, the batter like gets stuck on the, like they all get stuck together, so you kind of have to break them apart. And then you just put buffalo sauce in here, toss them up, put it back on the tray, and put them in for another 10 minutes. And then bam! All right, and then that's it. So bring them over to the table. Sometimes we do extra buffalo. So we have ranch, tomato, onion, lettuce, we have our wraps. And that's dinner. Yummy. Ready?
So excited.
I'm actually gonna end this weekend vlog here because this was a weekend vlog and it's Monday night. So we're gonna eat dinner. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I was just watching old Vlogmas videos and I'm excited for Christmas. They had Lifetime Christmas movies on TV today.
Which ones?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I just saw it, but.
Okay.
Like and subscribe. Bye.